How to make a poster in Adobe Photoshop CS6. This is the poster which I want to create. At first, open Adobe Photoshop CS6. Now click the File menu, then click New. Open a window. Click on the Preset menu, then click International Paper. Click on the Size menu, then select A4. Here is wide 8.268 inch, height 11.693 inch, and resolution 300. Press OK. This is the page. Now click the File menu, then click Place button. Then select the background, which I already create. Then click Place. Press Shift Alt for transform it. Now click the File menu, then click Place, then select the logo which I already done. Click Place. Drag it where you want. Select the text tool from the left palette designated with a T in the box. Set the cursor and type the company name. Drag it where you want. Click again text tool. Type your company slogan. Minimize the font size. Select the slogan and maximize the size. Select Move tool and drag it under the company name. Click the File menu. Click Place. Now select the image which I want to set on my poster. Click Place. Press Ctrl plus T for rotate the image. Now drag it where you want. Click again the File menu, click Place. Select the image and click Place. Now set it where you want. Click the File menu, click Place. Select the image, click Place button. Move it where you want. Now select the image from Layer and select the Blending Mode Multiply. Select another image, select Multiply, select another image, select Multiply. Now select Text tool from the left palette. Type the company email address. Select the address and change the font style. Change the font color from the color palette. Now go to the File menu, select Save As. Now select the location where you want to save the poster. Select the format JPEG. Type file name. Then press Save button. Click OK. Now open the file and preview.